Did you know that you can import your data to Google Sheets? Here's how. Click File on the top left corner of your Google Sheet. Then click Import. It will open a list of your files on your drive. If the file you want to import is not saved on your drive, click Upload, then click Browse. From there, choose the file you want to import, then click Open. There will be three options when importing. Replace the existing spreadsheet, insert a new sheet, and create a new spreadsheet. In this tutorial, we will choose to create a new spreadsheet. Click Import Data after choosing among the three options. It will then automatically create a new tab for your spreadsheet. And that's how you import data from another spreadsheet to Google Sheets. Like and follow VDC for more content like this. Thank you for watching.